Hi, I'd like to introduce you to Dr. Lawrence Cooper, Section Chief of the Pediatric Cell Therapy Team at MD Anderson Cancer Center in Houston. Dr. Cooper, could you explain briefly what is meant by cell therapy?
Thanks. Cell therapy is a type of immunotherapy where we're developing and administering immune cells to treat a patient's underlying cancer.
I believe you like to think of cell therapy as killing your cancer one cell at a time. In fact, that's the driving force and motto, so to speak, behind your department, I think.
Indeed, applied cell therapy is killing cancer one cell at a time.
You're Section Chief of Pediatric Cell Therapy. Does that mean that you're only involved with patients who are children, or do you treat adults as well?
That's a great question. We treat patients of all ages. Everybody, essentially, is a candidate for applied cell therapy.
What do you hope to achieve with your Facebook page, blogs and tweets?
Through our social media sites, we really hope to get the message out there of what cell therapy means to people. We have several touch points. One of them is education. Education of patients, doctors, and interested third parties. We want to get information out regarding what the current research is, both in the laboratory as well as in the clinical realm. And we want to also include everybody. We want to get out the idea that everybody is going to be part of the cancer team. Patients and their families are part of the cancer team, the doctors, the nurses, the pharmacists, the administrators, the volunteers, our fundraisers, our colleagues in the veterinary world, our housekeeping staff, our valets who help park the cars. It takes everybody to generate T cells for human application. Lastly, we're really interested in promotion and try and make it easier for the public to understand what immunotherapy is about. What are the clinical trials? Can you access the clinical trials? Can you find out what the pros and cons might be? Can you make, in other words, an informed decision whether you or a loved one would like to participate in applied cell therapy or in immunotherapy? The bottom line is we want everyone to understand that cell therapy is killing your cancer cell one cell at a time.
Thank you. Now, can you just explain a little bit more about cell therapy?
Indeed. So cell therapy, as I've alluded to, is a type of immunotherapy. You have many types of immune cells running around your body, and we're able to pull out, using a simple venipuncture or a simple blood draw, two types of immune cells in particular. One of them is called T cells, and the other one is called NK, natural killer, NK cells. These two types of cells have potent ability to fight cancer, and we can use tricks in the laboratory to enhance that ability. And not only that, we can do it in a way that we can return those immune cells, return those T cells, and return those NK cells back to the patient as investigational therapy to treat their underlying cancer.
Well, thanks, Dr. Cooper. We look forward to following your team on various social media sites as cell therapy kills cancer one cell at a time.
Thank you.